This thing got some fucking power. This fucking Dodge Viper.
It does that a lot.
Yeah,
The squirreliness.
Yeah.
If you let out the clutch and you're not holding the wheel.
Oh, don't kill us. Oh my god, this thing is fucking fast.
Yeah, that's. Wait, we're gonna hit 80 on the Java, dude.
Oh! Holy shit, this thing's fucking fast.
80.
That was 80?
Yeah, we just hit 80.
God
And second,
damn.
we just hit 80 in second on Java. You want to see what we can get it up to, dude?
Holy shit. Ah!
90.
That was 100 miles an hour?
Yeah, 90.
90?
Just over 90. We got a break. I
Damn.
probably could have hit 100, but I don't want to break
yeah,
it
don't.
100 with like less than a quarter mile.
Yeah. You don't want to fuck with... Woohoo! This is sick, Josh. Holy shit. 100 miles an hour.
100 is like a quarter mile. Like a quarter mile stretch. Like no, like
fucking
nowhere.
crazy, dude.
What's that be, Fred?
Oh no.
No.
Woo!
Yeah, this thing is sick. 80 in second. Like that's like maxed out, dude. You can't go faster than that. On this little run.
Yeah, no, dude. That is definitely way too fast. Holy shit, man. Oh my god, dude. That was fucking genius.
Yeah, I thought we should take it out real quick. I asked my bro if he wanted to go out earlier. He was like, nah. Dude, we gonna have a drink or what?
Yeah. Yeah, we can go grab a drink.